force. You might think smoking's cool, but it's really not, and very bad too. Here are 4 good reasons to quit or never smoke. Smoking can change your physical appearance. First, it will make your teeth smell, and it will make stains on your teeth. Also, you can get ugly wrinkles on your face. I don't think you want all of these, do you? Another reason is smoking is bad for the environment. They dump cigarettes in a beautiful forest. Animals live in these places, and they could die. The environment is being hurt every second. This reason is smoking can also change your actions and what you do. Another reason is smoking can make you hurt other people. This is called secondhand smoking, and it can really hurt their actions. This reason is about how it can make you ill and maybe get cancer. Addiction is when you smoke and never stop. Addiction can also lead to cancer. 400,000 people die because of smoking. Now you know all about what smoking can do to you, so why do it? If you don't smoke, please don't start.